Sí, no se puede.
Pero ábrese. Muy bien. As ocas que están por ali por a borde do lago, védelas, de color marrón con pico naranja. As ocas son da familia dos patos, son animais bastante típicos de granxa. Vale, elas teñen unha peculiaridade no que teñen que defender o seu territorio, entón atacan. Que non se ve que son os paxaros que destacan máis. O pavo real.
Ai, non vai de cercate. Mira.
Vale. Ese pavo real que é un macho ou é unha femia? Blanca se vai por seccións, unha sección verde, outra marrón, outra azul, outra negra. E, mirade, cando vexades un paxaro, estades vendo isto?
É bonito.
Patos salvaxe dos ríos de aquí, do río Miño, no río Miño podes ocupar un centro deles.
¿Crees que es tuyo todo lo que piensas? Dueñas de la tierra que tú ves, mas cada árbol roca y criatura tiene vida, tiene alma y es un ser. Parece que no existen más personas que aquellas que son igual que tú. Si sigues las pisadas de un extraño, verás cosas que jamás soñaste ver. ¿Has oído al lobo aullarle a la luna azul? ¿O has visto a un lince sonreír?
Porque está dentro, conviven los animales que estamos viendo, son todos de África, la naturaleza está conviviendo.
Pero pueden matar a Fred.
No, bien, perfectamente.
Son amigos locos.
Colores en el viento destruir.
Sitting here in the boring room, it's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast, I'm driving too far. I'd like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down. I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Sing da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 dee dee da. I'm sitting here, I miss the power. I'd like to go out, taking a shower, but there's a heavy cloud inside my head. I feel so tired, put myself into bed. Well, nothing ever happens, and I wonder. Isolation is not good for me. Isolation, I don't want to sit on the lemon tree. I'm stepping around in the desert of joy. Maybe anyhow I'll get another toy, and everything will happen. And you wonder, I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down, turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. And I wonder, wonder, I wonder how, I wonder why.
¿Qué dicen por ahí, no?
It's been the longest winter without you. Didn't know where to turn to. See, somehow I can't forget you. After all that we've been through, going, coming, gonna hurt and I'll lose that moment, thinking that I deserve it. And now I realize that I really didn't know. You didn't know this. You mean everything quickly. I'm learning to love again. All I know is I'ma be okay. Thought I couldn't live without you. It's gonna hurt when it heals too. Oh yeah. It'll get better in time. And even though I really love you, I'm gonna smile 'cause I deserve to. It'll get better in time. How could I turn on the TV without something that'll remind me? Was it all that easy to just put aside your feelings? If I'm dreaming, don't wanna let hurt my feelings, but that's the path I believe in, and I know that time will heal it. If you didn't know this, well, you mean everything. Quickly I'm learning, ooh, to love again. All I know is I'ma be okay. Thought I couldn't live without you. It's gonna hurt I'ma let you go, so I